Okay, welcome to Tilly's Garage again. On my brother's Farm LC here. I gotta tear apart the starter. That's not engaging. Dealing with all this wiring stuff, I still gotta deal with that. The gas tank is absolutely terrible. It's just god awful. Yeah. It's one of the worst ones I've probably dealt with in a long time. First sitting for 5 or more years. It was probably bad even back then, but it's pretty rough, and I can show you that video just after this. Stay tuned. And there is the inside of that tank. Almost probably better off just getting a new tank at this point. There's rust flakes everywhere. Yeah, she's pretty bad. Sludge, slime, bottom of the Titanic approved. Yay.